In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to add background music to your Swift application in 4 easy steps. So if we take a look at this empty application, which I've added sound to, we can see exactly how this is going to work. So let's take a look and see if we can figure out exactly how to make this happen in your app. Okay, here I have an empty project, game project, and I've added the WAV file that I want to use within my game scene. I've got all the usual suspects for my functions: did move to view, touches begin, and update. And the first thing that I want to do is create an instance of SK Audio Node. I'm going to do that from just within my class definition. All right. So this gives us access to SK Audio Node. The next thing I want to do is set my variable, which I named game background music, equal to whatever that file name is. So let's see if we can figure this out. All right, so I'm going to go inside did move to view, and I'm going to set game background music, and I'm going to establish that file as background2wave because that's what my file is named. The next thing that I want to make sure I do is add the instance of that object to my scene. So I'm going to do add child and call my game background music. Cool. All right, so at this point we should have background music. So let's test this and take a look. Alright, so our background music is running just from creating an instance of SK Audio Node. We named our instance game background music, and we set game background music equal to our file name, and we added it to our scene. Now, how are we going to get this to stop? That's what we're going to work on next. So from wherever you want the music to stop, say game over for example, you would simply add the line run action SK action stop. Of course, you have to call it on the object game background music. So what I'm going to do to my project is just add that call for demonstration purposes to the touches began. Now remember, what this function does is anytime the user touches the screen, in this example, so we have a touch event, and it's going to run the SK action stop command. So let's take a look. So what should happen is whenever I touch the screen, that background music will stop. Okay, so we have our music playing, and when I click the screen, it should stop. And it did. So here you can see 4 easy steps to adding background music to your application. And good luck with your app.